Humans can't use it, so why bother to keep it? If you hand the jewel over right now, I won't have to start sharpening my claws on you. Iron Reaper Soul Stealer! Exactly. You were saying who didn't want to touch it? My body's built differently than yours. And besides, in the end it turned out that punk Renkotsu valued his life more than I would have guessed. At the last minute he threw the firebombs away. Idiots. Think you'll get away with that? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get you all upset. Yeah, one glance should be enough to tell you it ain't gonna happen, you idiot. You're so jealous. Serves you right, Koga. Doofus. What did you say?
That's if the mutt wasn't blown into a million pieces. I'm just telling it like it is. Besides, if that idiot hadn't... What, you want to take me on now? With that beat-up body of yours?
You idiot.